In this video, we'll be talking about how to deposit on Stake with PayPal. So in order to deposit on Stake, just head over and click onto this wallet options. Then click onto this deposit option. Now, as you can see, you can choose in here the actual cryptocurrency that you want. For example, let's choose in here USDT, and we will have in here a QR code as well as the actual address for this one. Click onto this copy right here, and as you can see, it will actually ask us for that. Another option is to actually just buy those using the actual other apps that will actually go and then support PayPal. Another option as well is to click on this buy crypto, and then from in here, just enter in here the actual cryptocurrency that you want. For example, let's choose Ethereum. Then let's put in here around $10. Now click onto this next option, and then we have in here this swap.com. Click onto this buy option, and then it will be redirected to this one. Then as you can see, we have in here the USD as well as the Ethereum, and as you can see, we have in here some payment methods. So the payment methods that we have for this one is Visa, Google Pay, as well as Apple Pay, Skrill, Teller, and the likes. So as you can see, there's no PayPal right here. However, what we can do is we can use the actual Visa card that we have linked into our PayPal. You can click onto this one right here and click on continue to successfully deposit the amount.